Alright, welcome to Aptrend channel. This is your F1 trader Alpi. Be revealing to you my stock picks for this week from September 18 to 22. And my first stocks, these are stocks that are less than $10. And after charting more than 100 stocks, I came up with these 5 stocks. Okay, let's start off with FSR. Right now, with my new setup, I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame. The volume is above the average, and there's a green candle here, a bullish candle. Then we can see our RSI is, yes, it's at the near the 70 overbought area, but it is sloping upward, so I chose to I have added with my strategy by looking at the news.
FSR said Thursday it is increasing the production of its Ocean electric SUV in Q4 to about 300 vehicles per day from nearly 180. The car maker, which is looking to achieve this rate in October, said the production will support deliveries in all European markets, Canada, and certain US states. Fiskars manufacturing partner C.A.R.E produced 3,123 vehicles as of September 4th, the company said, adding that it received less than 3,000 units and is expecting to receive all 5,000 Fisker Ocean 1 Launch Edition units by September 30th. More than 450 Fisker Ocean units were either delivered to US customers or are scheduled to be delivered, said Fisker, which also highlighted the arrival of over 1,500 more units in the country, starting this weekend.
Alright, YMM is Full Truck Alliance Company Limited. Again, look at the 1 hour time frame. We see a green candle here with high volume, ultra high volume above our average. RSI is moving upward. Our MACD histogram is in dark green, so it looks good, and the price is also above the 5, 10, and 20 moving averages, so I'll go for that. Now let's go to the news. They'll be having an Investors Day in China this Tuesday, September 19. So I guess this will serve a good catalyst. Usually in this kind of meetings, there are positive news, and they will highlight the growth the company. KGC, these gold miners, Kinross Gold Corporation. Okay, the price in our 1 hour time frame, price is a hammer here above 5, 10, and 20 moving average with high volume. Our histogram is kind of light green. Our RSI sloping upward and above 70, so it has a good momentum. News with KGC, gold miners rise. ADT. I said it will just be quick. Okay, and it is for us to analyze. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to write it in the comment section below. Okay, I'm buying this because it is above the 3 EMAs, 5, 10, and 20. The volume is high in our 1 hour time frame, though the MACD is showing some weakness by having this light green histogram, and our RSI is moving downward. But if we look to the daily, it has a good candlestick with high volume, and our RSI is moving upward, trying to break this 50 line. So that's why I'm considering this. Alright, any news about ADT? Thank you for asking. Okay, according to Goldman Sachs, Goldman Sachs is adjusting the price from $960 to $830. The reason Goldman Sachs is doing that so that they can
Goldman Sachs adjusts
have more
ADT's
buys,
price target
to encourage more buys.
$8.30 from
So if that
$9.60,
happens,
keeps buy rating.
of course, price will go up. Law of supply and demand. If
While
there's
it's likely
more
the FDA will pull the drug,
demand,
the financial
price
impact
will
for
go up.
Kenvue and other companies
If
won't be
there's more
substantial.
supply than demand,
The agency
price will
says
go
the
down.
ingredient,
So
called
the
phenylephrine,
Goldman
was in
Sachs
$1.8 billion
adjusted
worth of
the
products
price
sold
so that
in U.S.
more
retail stores
buyers
in
can come
2022.
in.
The
And
drugs
it
account
can
for
push
less
the
than
price
2% each of Kenvue and
to
Haleon's U.S. sales. However, according to analysts,
$8.30.
phenylephrine is
Alright.
included in a long list
Okay,
of
and
over-the-counter
lastly,
flu,
our last
cold,
stock
and allergy remedies, including some
is-
versions of Kenvue's Sudafed and Tylenol and some versions of Haleon's Advil.
Okay, we can look it here.
Other companies that make products featuring
Okay, our last
phenylephrine
stock is
include Procter
C.H.A.M.P.
and Gamble, PG, and Reckitt
This is
Benckiser
kind
Group,
of interesting
IBKR.
stocks because
Drug makers have used
this is in
phenylephrine in their
pharma.
nasal decongestants since the mid-2000s
Alright.
after
So
legislators
here
imposed
in
strict limits
our
on sales of a more effective ingredient,
1 hour time
pseudoephedrine,
frame,
due to the risk
there's
that
a
it can be
hammer
used to
on
make
top of the
methamphetamine.
EMA 5-day EMA. Then the price is above the 10 and the 20 with high volume, though our MACD is in light green. However, our RSI is really pushing upward. Okay, now let's go to some confirmation in our daily time frame. It just broke out from this trend line that I drew in the daily time frame with high volume and light pink MACD with RSI sloping upward. So this is a good sign, high probability trade. Alright, and now if you want some news about this, okay, the FDA tries to not actually ban the phenylephrine because this is a chemical that is added in different drugs like Tylenol and Advil. In this case, Haleon produced Advil and they use phenylephrine. Now, the FDA tries to stop the production of that chemical because it can be used in doing other drugs like meta something, another illegal drugs. So to lessen the production of that illegal drugs, the feds or the FDA tries to slow the production of phenylephrine because they also say that this chemical when taken orally doesn't work. So these drug companies like Haleon, P&G, and other drug companies who uses this chemical, who spends more than $2 billion in their production, and yet it is not effective. They're just throwing away money. So this could be a big cost saver for Helion. So with that, the investors could view them as a high profit or better profit with the ban of this chemical, and they won't be spending 2 billion for this. So great savings, more income for the company, so investors can save more money for them. So as traders, I see that, and technically speaking, it just breaks out the support, or previously support turned resistance with high volume. So I'm getting this. So guys, I hope we can trade well, and we can all benefit from this. So make sure to put your stop losses. These are not guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed. Only opportunity. So my top picks are FSR, YMM, KGC, ADT, and HLN. Alright, so may the profits be with you. So let's all make money. Bye.